Welcome to our exploration of the world's biggest vegetable gardens. Today, we're diving into the sprawling landscapes where innovation and nature come together to grow an incredible array of vegetables. From expansive research facilities to breathtaking botanical gardens, we'll uncover what makes these gardens truly remarkable. Get ready to be amazed by their size, diversity, and sustainability. Let's dig into these giant green spaces. 1. The Eden Project, Cornwall, UK. The Eden Project in Cornwall, England, is renowned for its massive biomes that house a diverse range of plants and vegetables. Spanning 30 acres, it features distinct climate zones, including a Mediterranean biome and a tropical biome. The garden showcases a variety of vegetables from around the world, grown in innovative and sustainable ways. The project emphasizes environmental education and conservation. It also hosts numerous educational programs and events focused on horticulture and sustainability. The Eden Project's vast size and unique structure make it a global landmark for plant enthusiasts. 2. The Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, London, UK. The Royal Botanic Gardens at Kew in London is one of the largest and most comprehensive botanical gardens in the world. Covering 326 acres, Kew Gardens features an extensive collection of plants, including a wide variety of vegetables. The garden's research and conservation efforts are globally recognized. It showcases innovative gardening techniques and sustainable practices. Kew Gardens plays a crucial role in plant conservation and botanical research. Its vast size allows for the cultivation and study of diverse vegetable species. The gardens offer visitors educational exhibits and beautifully curated plant collections. Kew's commitment to horticulture and science makes it a leading institution in the botanical world. 3. Longwood Gardens, Pennsylvania, USA. Longwood Gardens in Pennsylvania is a sprawling estate covering over 1,077 acres, renowned for its extensive horticultural displays. The garden features a wide array of vegetable gardens, including impressive kitchen gardens and experimental plots. Longwood Gardens is known for its commitment to horticultural excellence and innovative design. The estate's vegetable gardens are meticulously maintained and showcase a diverse range of crops. It serves as a center for research and education in gardening and sustainable agriculture. Longwood Gardens offers visitors a blend of ornamental and functional plantings. The garden size and variety provide a comprehensive experience for vegetable enthusiasts. 4. The National Vegetable Research Station, Warwickshire, UK. The National Vegetable Research Station in Warwickshire is dedicated to the study and development of vegetable crops. Covering extensive land, the station focuses on advancing agricultural techniques and improving vegetable varieties. Its research facilities are equipped to handle a wide range of horticultural experiments. The garden features numerous experimental plots where new vegetable varieties are tested. The station plays a key role in enhancing vegetable production through scientific research. Its large scale allows for comprehensive studies and trials. The station's work contributes to global agricultural advancements. 5. The Chicago Botanic Garden, Illinois, USA. The Chicago Botanic Garden in Illinois is a vast and diverse garden spanning 385 acres, featuring a wide array of plant collections, including vegetables. The garden includes extensive vegetable and herb plots, showcasing various gardening techniques and seasonal crops. It is known for its educational programs and research initiatives in horticulture. The Chicago Botanic Gardens vegetable gardens are integrated into its broader plant collections and conservation efforts. The garden size and variety offer visitors a comprehensive look at different vegetable species. Its commitment to education and sustainable practices is evident in its numerous programs. The garden's expansive layout provides ample space for diverse vegetable cultivation. 6. The United Nations Gardens, Geneva, Switzerland. The United Nations Gardens in Geneva is a significant horticultural site covering several acres. The gardens are known for their international vegetable collection and commitment to sustainable practices. It features a range of vegetables from different parts of the world, reflecting global agricultural diversity. The gardens play a role in promoting environmental awareness and sustainable development. The site includes educational programs and events focused on horticulture and global food security. Its extensive vegetable plots are managed with an emphasis on research and conservation. The gardens offer a unique perspective on international agricultural practices. 7. The Butchart Gardens, British Columbia, Canada. The Butchart Gardens in British Columbia spans over 55 acres and is renowned for its beautifully designed plant displays, including vegetable gardens. The estate features extensive kitchen gardens that showcase a variety of vegetables alongside ornamental plants. The gardens are known for their commitment to horticultural excellence and aesthetic design. Butchart Gardens integrates functional vegetable plots into its overall landscape design. The site offers educational experiences related to gardening and sustainable practices. Its extensive vegetable gardens contribute to the garden's diverse plant collections. 8. The Arboretum at the University of California, Davis, USA. The Arboretum at the University of California, Davis is a large research and educational garden covering 100 acres. It features extensive vegetable gardens that support agricultural research and education. The Arboretum is known for its commitment to sustainable gardening practices and plant research. It includes diverse vegetable plots used for experimental and educational purposes. The garden size and variety facilitate comprehensive studies and public education. The Arboretum plays a key role in advancing knowledge of vegetable cultivation and sustainable agriculture. Its vegetable gardens are integral to its mission of promoting horticultural science. 9. The New York Botanical Garden, New York City, USA. The New York Botanical Garden, located in the Bronx, covers 250 acres and includes extensive vegetable gardens. It features a range of vegetable crops and sustainable gardening practices. The garden is dedicated to plant research, conservation, and public education. Its vegetable gardens serve as a living laboratory for horticultural studies and demonstrations. The New York Botanical Garden's size and diversity offer a broad look at different vegetable species and cultivation techniques. The garden's educational programs and events focus on sustainable agriculture and gardening practices. Its vegetable plots are part of a larger mission to promote environmental stewardship. 10. The Singapore Botanic Gardens, Singapore. The Singapore Botanic Gardens is a lush and expansive garden covering 82 acres, renowned for its extensive plant collections, including vegetables. The gardens feature a variety of vegetable plots and educational programs related to horticulture. Its tropical climate allows for the cultivation of diverse vegetable species. The garden's vegetable sections are integrated into its broader horticultural displays and conservation efforts. The Singapore Botanic Gardens emphasizes sustainable gardening practices and environmental education. The site offers visitors insights into tropical vegetable cultivation and garden design. Its size and range of plantings provide a comprehensive experience for vegetable enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world's largest vegetable gardens. We hope you enjoyed discovering these vast and fascinating spaces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible insights into the world of gardening and beyond. Until next time, keep growing and stay inspired.